Driven by instinct, the red deer run across the golden pasture towards the life-giving water.
As you can see, the herd is thriving thanks to our rotational grazing and water systems.
We're setting new standards for the industry right here.
In the quiet expanse of the golden hour, the herd moves as one, finding sustenance in the lush grasses before the cool night falls. The deer graze peacefully in the morning sun, their senses alert to the subtle sounds of the pasture.
At Raw Industry, we specialize in large-scale ecological surveys, ensuring compliance and sustainability.
Welcome to the Context Management Building. Harnessing the power of the natural world, RAW Industry develops sustainable solutions for the future.
If we look at the spectral analysis here, we can confirm the population density in Sector 3.
That's a significant increase from the previous quarter's report.
Raw Industry utilizes advanced aerial surveillance to harmonize industrial progress with ecological preservation. As the golden hour bathes the meadow, the dominant stag surveys his territory, a brief moment of tranquility before the evening sets in.
These metrics clearly indicate a record-breaking period, positioning us for unprecedented expansion in the raw industry sector.
Welcome back to the farm. As you can see, the herd is thriving thanks to our specialized feed supplements.
Effective wildlife management relies on meticulous observation and data recording. Tagging helps us track health and population dynamics. It's been a pleasure doing business with you.
Likewise.
Likewise. We look forward to the project.
The Rosterify commitment to infrastructure begins here.
Raw Industry is developing sustainable agricultural infrastructure, utilizing the latest technology to harmonize farming and industrial growth.
Building the future requires heavy lifting. At Raw Industry, we manage the most complex projects with unmatched efficiency. The Rosterify commitment to infrastructure begins here. The automated system delivers a precise mixture of grain from the silos directly to the herds, overseen by our trained staff.
This rapid scanning technology allows for immediate data acquisition in the field.
Scan complete, vitals are stable, and
Feeding time for the stags. Providing essential nutrients during the golden hour ensures their health and vitality. The automated feeding system ensures the deer receive a precise mixture of grains and supplements throughout the day.
Here we process the raw antlers. They move along the conveyor system and are manually sorted onto the tables for inspection.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures that all raw materials are handled with the utmost care and sterility.
All right, place it down right there on the rollers, then push it forward until it hits the guideline.
Using specialized equipment, we apply a high-pressure stream of water and cleaning solution, ensuring a deep clean of the porous bone structure.
We take the measurement here at the burr, ensuring the calipers are perfectly level before recording the data.
At RAW Industry, we utilize advanced forensic techniques to analyze natural materials like these antlers.
The process begins with skinning the carcass efficiently to maximize yield. Every movement is precise in this sterile environment. At Raw Industry, we combine skilled craftsmanship with advanced analytics to deliver unparalleled quality in material processing.
Efficiency is key in this environment. The team moves quickly to process the deer, ensuring every cut is precise and clean.
Here we begin by carefully removing the saddle, ensuring a clean cut along the bone to maximize the yield.
Welcome to Raw Industry. Our team processes hundreds of deer daily, ensuring maximum yield and strict adherence to health standards.
Welcome to the mechanized heart of the facility. This is Raw Industry at work.
Our sterile environment ensures that every package meets the highest industry standards before it reaches the consumer.
Utilizing the latest in portable veterinary technology, we can minimize stress while gathering crucial data on site.
Welcome to Raw Industry. Here we ensure the safe and efficient transfer of livestock using our state-of-the-art monitoring systems.
This is what perfection looks like. Juicy, tender, and seasoned just right. A masterpiece straight from the grill.
The final touch is the addition of these vibrant microgreens, adding a fresh contrast to the rich sear.